Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am unboxing a brand new smart doll. This is my second smart doll. The first time I got Mirai Suinaga. You can see her unboxing video in the card up in the corner. But let's see what's in this box this time. First, we have this adorable chibi map of the Kanto region in Japan. It features Danichu's characters showing you around the area. This is so cute. It makes me want to go to Japan right now. Next, we have the bag that actually holds the smart doll. It has a keep calm and carry a smart doll message on the outside. That's different than last time. Still has Danichu and Culture Japan logo on the back. First thing inside the bag is a box. The box is unsealed. Make it easy to get into. In the box, we have the wig. Next, we have a shopping bag from the Smart Doll store in Tokyo. I think the big chibi is Chitose Shirasawa holding a chibi Mirai smart doll. Next, we have the telescopic stand. And that's it for the box. The only other thing in the bag is the actual smart doll herself. Everyone, meet Infinity. She has the same body as Mirai-chan, so they share all their clothes, but her face is very different. She has bright purple eyes, cute freckles, and a coy smile. She has a very intelligent look. I think she is a very smart doll. She comes with a sports bra and panty set. You can also get her with a full clothing set, but I didn't get it. As always, smart dolls are very well put together. Expect some creakiness when they are brand new, but otherwise she bends very well and holds her pose. So let's put the wig on. It's very soft and so shiny. She is so cute. If you're wondering, she is 52,000 yen plus shipping. Go to their smart doll website if you want to know more about Infinity. Here she is standing up, looking so adorable. So what do you guys think Mirai's reaction would be when she meets Infinity? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you next time.